Hey class of 2020, my name is Indigo and I am a senior here at SVSU.
My name is Reagan Schultz and I'm a senior at SVSU.
I'm Nate and I'm a fifth year here at SVSU.
First off, congratulations on all of your achievements. You have so much to be proud of and so much to look forward to. We can't wait to welcome you to your new home here at SVSU.
This is a big point in your life, and this next year at SVSU is going to be amazing. You are going to achieve so much, meet new friends, and have the chance to follow your passions. Earning your college degree will help you make a difference for the greater good of your community and help ensure your future success. The best is yet to come as a new Cardinal.
I can tell you from experience, I have loved being here at SVSU. It is such an amazing place to learn and grow.
It is empowering.
It has given me a community.
Because coronavirus has temporarily changed how we all connect this year, the SVSU orientation team has added a new virtual phase to your orientation to becoming a Cardinal. So let me be the first to welcome you to flight school.
This will be 100% online and is for students who signed up in May and June. During flight school, you will connect in a video chat with many new Cardinals who, like yourself, are starting this journey with you.
You will be joined online with student leaders and SVSU's academic advising staff who are all looking forward to meeting you and helping you get started with registering for classes.
After you've completed flight school, stay connected. Ask as many questions as you need. We'll be available in the chats even after they've closed. You can invite anyone you met online to connect and talk through your questions.
We can't wait to meet you again in person later this summer for Soar. Soar takes place on the campus of SVSU. At Soar, you will connect with new Cardinals in person, make friendships, learn the layout of your new campus, see the great places to eat, meet, and hang out, and most importantly, our caring group of staff and faculty are looking forward to sharing resources and tips with you.
After SOAR, we'll see you all again at the start of the semester for Fresh Start.
We'll reach out to you again with what to expect later this summer.
Enjoy your flight school and SOAR experiences this spring and summer.
Welcome, new Cardinals. We'll see you soon.